So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, good morning to all of you guys who all are watching me right now. And guys, so right now I am going towards river to tie my cattle. Actually, so before I move on to this vlog, I wanna make sure guys, please watch this video until the very end. Cause in today's video I am going to teach a lots of super helpful English sentences that you can use it in your daily life as I use, right? So that is why, and also I am sure that you are gonna love it so much this video. And right now if you guys are new over here, so first I wanna make sure, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for such kind of English content. And if you guys wanna know who I am, so here I would say I am Nakul Kumar and I teach you English as a teacher, but don't consider me I am a teacher, right? I just teach you English because I have a dream of speaking English like my favorite English teacher. So that is why I am doing this kind of activity, but otherwise there is no any intention to doing that, right? So please don't judge me that I speak English in front of you, right? So just I am doing this as I just told you to fulfill my dream of speaking English, and I think I am in halfway through, and in my upcoming days I will be able to speak English, or I am gonna fulfill my dream of speaking English, right? So overall here I wanna say my main intention to improve my English than yours, right? So that is why, and also I might mistake a lot in this vlog, but yes, as we guys already know, some mistakes are allowed to everybody, so that is why please forgive me if I make mistakes sometimes, right? Okay, so right now I am here outside from my house, right? Means let's dive into this vlog. And right now I am here outside from my house, as I just showed you that right now I am taking my pets towards river to tie them. So that is why right now I am here outside, right? And to be honest guys, even I don't know what all kind of things or sentences I am going to teach, but yes, the sentences I am going to teach, it would be very useful, right? As I just told you that you can use it in your conversation and daily life. And also I have come here, actually I have reached already to my destination, you can say, and just after walking a bit then I'm gonna tie my cattle, because right now I am at my destination. Now as you can see, this is a field, and in this field anywhere where I will see, yes, this place is better than this place because this place has very little grass. So that is why first I have to choose a nice place where is so much grass than this place, right? So okay guys, so finally I have found a place where is so much grass than that place, right? Now you can see, right? And right now I am going to tie my cattle. By the way, if you guys want to know what is the process of tying, so first I am going to untie this rope, then I am going to tie them one by one. But that's the process of tying my cattle. And right now the process that I am doing is called putting the peg inside the soil with the help of my foot, right? Yes. And now move to the next one. And the tool is called bamboo peg, right? Bamboo peg, because it made for bamboos, right? So that is why it called bamboo peg. Okay guys, so just after tying my cattle or pets here, and now it's time to back home. So let me hit the road. So by the way, here I have a question for you guys. What do you do normally when you are alone, or when you are spending, like right now I am going home, and if I want I can utilize my time, right? Or if I want I can spend my times, right? So what do you do in this situation? But if I talk about me, I love to listen to music sometimes, or sometimes if I want I watch some, means I don't watch, but instead I listen some English content that are related to my progress, right? That kind of content I listen. But what do you do in this situation? Please let us know in the comment below. Okay, so right now let me hit the road. And again, if I get anything or object, I'm going to teach a lot of English sentences by using the object, right? So that is why keep on watching. And also such as what this is called a sack. And also what this is called, by the way, it went trash, but if you want to know the name of it, this is called hawks. Actually, I am unable to describe, but yes, hawks means chilka. So right now I just kept the stick that was with me, and right now I have come to my faucet. Next to me there is a faucet, and to wash my face and feet a little bit because it gets dust. Right, by the way, in this early morning I have washed my face earlier, but again I would like to wash because it get wet, right? It get wet, it get dust, so that is why special. Okay, so I just washed my face and feet and also my hands, and now it's time to towel dry my face. So let's get to the home, and then I will dry off my face. And actually my voice get speechless because there are lots of people around me, so that is why. This is called a curtain, and with this curtain I dry off my face. So right now I just had lunch, and right now I have come to do the dishes to the faucet. Guys, while eating food it was fish, so that is why I am cleaning off my teeth with this brush in order to make my teeth shinier. Okay guys, again right now I am outside from my house, actually just after having meal, and my next job is to dry off my corn. So that is why right now I have a bucket in my right hand, and with this bucket I am going to my corn to dry off. So let's keep on watching, and I'm going to teach a lot of English sentences by using, means while drying my corn I'm going to teach lots of English sentences, right? So keep on watching. Okay guys, so just after coming to this place, now as you can see some of the sacks I have filled yesterday, and actually we are short of sacks, so that is why. And also the corn that is on the ground, it is wet a little bit, so that is why I am drying, right? And also I have sprayed on the net, now as you can see. Okay, so let's learn some English sentences by using the doing action. The action that I am doing, that is called turning the corn in the perspective of drying, right? Means I am turning the corn to dry. And what this is called, this is not a hoe. Now as you can see, okay, I'm going to, yes, with the rear camera I'm going to show you, this is called a sow bolt. With this sow bolt I can collect all the corn in one place, right? Such as, and this is called a bucket, as I already teach you, right? This is called sacks, corn and net and grass. The corn is drying or the corns are drying, which one is correct? Please let us know in the comment below. And another thing that is called, what this is called, this is called a plastic, and I don't know, I think it's called plastic in English too, right? We have, and why we have brought it? Actually we have brought it for cover. Actually we have brought this plastic in order to protect our corn from the rain. Yes, because sometimes it's rain, so that is why, in order to protect our corn from the rain, so that is why we have brought the plastic, right? And what this is called, the outer part of the corn, so this is called hocks. Yes, this is called hocks. And what this is called the inner part of the corn, like this one. What this is called, you please let us know in the comment below. And if you guys don't know, okay, I wanna tell you the name of it. It's a corn cob, right? It's a corn cob, corn cob and corn hocks, right? It's a corn hawk. There is a sack of corn cob, right? Okay guys, so right now the sun has come out, so that is why, means it is very difficult to stay in the sun, so that is why I just came to have rest in the shade of this tree. Now as you can see next to me there is a tree, and I am having rest a little bit. Okay, here anything else so that I can teach you English? Yes, I have got a plant, and now this is kind of a plant, and it has flowers, and it has a lots of spikes, right? Now as you can see I have hold the spikes of this plant, right? Wow, by the way, all around these plants it has spikes. Now as you can see, it's wow. So right now I am going to drink water. Actually there is a faucet away from that place where I was. So and I am going right now. Actually I am feeling thirsty. So that is why in order to kill my thirsty I am going to the faucet to drink water. And I'm going to show you the background of that place. So keep on watching. So just after drinking water, now I am going to the place where I was earlier. Guys, it's 12 p.m. and this time to give water to my cattle or to my pets. So that is why right now I am going to my pets to move from there to next place in order to graze more, right? Okay, so just after moving my pets, so now it's time to again go home, but I am actually feeling hungry. So that is why I will have to go home to have lunch, but the problem is I don't know who will come. Let's see, if someone will come then I will say to him, or I will say to her. If my sister will come then I will say to her to stay to my corn, and then I will go home to have lunch. But let's see first who come. Okay, so right now I am going home to have something, means to have lunch. And actually there is no one has come to watch out my corn. So that is why there is a lady, there is a woman next to my corn, and I asked her to watch out for a while, and I said to her that I will be right back, just you watch. And so that is why I will just have lunch and then I will right back. Again I dry off my face, or I am drying off my face with the help of this towel. And today I didn't take a bath because I will have to do a lot of work further in this block. So that is why today I will take a bath, but in the evening time, just after finishing my entire work, right? So that is why I didn't take a bath, right? And right now I am at home, so that is why I get speechless. Okay, so now I will meet you just after having lunch. Okay guys, so just after having lunch, again I am going towards river, especially to wash out my corn or to dry off my corn, right? Okay, let's keep on watching. So while going through this road, you will get to see there are some hump on the road, and also it has water because this morning, sorry, yesterday night it has rained. So that is why, because of the rain, it gets water. So now as you can see, and again now as you can see, it has water. Okay guys, so I just got here to my destination and I am drying off my corn with the help of my feet, right? Guys, see the quality of my phone, Samsung Galaxy F12. Wow, green nazara. Wow. Yes, actually it's 12:30 p.m. and at this time, actually this time to sleep, right? So that is why I am feeling sleepy, right? And that is why I have slept. Okay guys, so right now I just come to the place where my cattle are grazing, right? So now as you can see, by the way, there are lots of cattle here, and there are also some people who are grazing, now as you can see. And also I am here. Actually guys, just after sold our corn, I have come here to my cattle to graze here. By the way, if you guys want to know corn, actually here you might have a question, Nakul. मतलब कि actually I am struggle to translate this kind of English sentences, so here I wanna say in Hindi. Actually वैसे 14-15 कुंटल हुआ, उसमें से कुछ कटेगा भी किलो में, सॉरी बोरा में भी कटेगा। जैसे 22 बोरा हुआ तो 22 किलो भी कटेगा, 14 कुंटल हुआ तो उसमें से 14 किलो भी कटेगा। तो इसको जोड़ करके जितना हुआ, जितना कुंटल हुआ पूरा में से इतना किलो भी घटेगा। और बाकी यानी कि कुंटल में 2050 की दर से मतलब 14-15 कुंटल का कितना होगा, आप यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट कर लो बस। तो बस इतना ही हम लोग का मकई हुआ। वैसे और भी है, अभी वो सब हुआ नहीं है, तो नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग तो आएगा ही, इसलिए सब्सक्राइब कर देना। सो आई मीन दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग एंड आई होप यू गॉट टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू थ्रू दिस ब्लॉग। इफ यस देन प्लीज गिव इट अ थम्स अप एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल for more such kind of relevant content. Okay, so that's all for today.